Hey everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can pin YouTube comments on your YouTube video on iPhone or iPad in 2021. The first thing that you'd want to do, you want to go and open up the YouTube app. You would want to go and look for the video. You want to go and look for a suitable comment that you'd want to pin basically. So what you would want to do, you want to go and tap on the three dots right here, and then you want to tap on pin, and then you want to tap on pin again, and then refresh the page. You refresh, it will automatically be pinned to the top of the comment section. As you can see, it is pinned all the way to the top of the comment section. Now without further ado, that wraps up today's tutorial. If this tutorial helped you in any way, shape or form, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like this video and share this video if you think this video will help someone out. Thank you guys so much for watching.